Okay, so let's start. In this video, let's see whether it's the final time to buy BTC or we have to just wait for a confirmation buy. And at last, let's check into some trends. And at last also, let's check into some crypto news. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so right now, go straight into the BTC chart. Okay, so right now, BTC needs to break this key resistance. If I show you on the 30-minute chart, you'll see. Okay, so BTC right now needs to break this key resistance. Okay, I'll show you exactly at around 29,080. Okay, $29,080. BTC needs to break this, and once it breaks this, breaks as support, you can say it'll go all the way up to this range. Okay, see right now here, I'll show you on the big chart. Okay, so the big time frame, which is your 𝗧𝗶𝗺 chart. Okay, so right now BTC, you can say BTC, as I told you, needs to break this key resistance right here. Okay, so once it breaks this key resistance, we'll check where's the next support. Okay, so once it breaks this resistance at around, I told you, at around 29,001 BTC, right? When it breaks that key resistance, I'm putting all my buy orders. Okay, on all the altcoins. Once it breaks this key resistance around $29,070, once it breaks that, and it goes all the way up, will go all the way, you can say, to this range. Okay, at around 29,700. Okay, so when it goes there, I'll buy. When it breaks this, I'll buy all my altcoins. I'll buy BTC. Okay, when it breaks, only if it breaks. It still didn't break, so there's time. Okay, so if I'll tell you the bearish case. Okay, now let's talk about your bearish case. If now see, yeah, this is a bad news. Okay, but if it doesn't break, it hits this as a resistor and it breaks this key support right here, right? It breaks this key support. I'm shorting all the altcoins. Okay, then we are more probably going down. Okay, you can say till this range. Okay, you can say till this range. I'm shorting all my altcoins. Let me show you again. Let me show you the 2-hour chart. Okay, so if BTC breaks this range at around 28,760, it breaks this, it will hit this as a support, hit this as a resistance, this $29,070, and hit this as a resistance, break this support at around 28,760, and then it will go all the way down, you can see. Okay, if it breaks this, then I'm shorting everything. If it does that, I'm shorting everything. Okay, so if it breaks up, I'm logging all the altcoins. Okay, so that's for a BTC chart, your logs and short. Now let's check it your next chart, which is your Ethereum chart. Okay, so for Ethereum, same thing. Okay, so I'll do the trend line for this. I'll show you how. So I'll go on the, let's say, 1 hour time frame. Okay, I'll go on a 1 hour time frame. I'll make this as a key. Okay, I'll go on the 30-minute time frame. Okay, let's see there. Okay, so right now let's check. Okay, so right now I'll put this from here. Okay, so on this, it's already broken. Okay, let's go on a 1 hour time frame. Let's check that I'm not wrong. What time frame? 1 hour time frame. Okay, so for this one, let's check on the 30. Okay, so for right now, you can see on the 30-minute time frame. Right now, Ethereum is already broken. Okay, Ethereum is already broken. So right now, you can see Ethereum broke this trend. You can see this. You can see this trend line, right? It already broke this trend line. Okay, so right now, I'll be watching this trend line, and you can see it can go till Ethereum is already broken. Okay, but I'll be waiting for BTC break. So right now, Ethereum's broken that trend, just side broke. So I'll be waiting for it to come all the way for a log. If you're waiting for a log, I'll be logging Ethereum right now all the way from here. It broke it all the way from here to here, you can see. If it breaks this, we are all going up. Okay, so I'll be waiting. You can say this key resistance, right? Go all the way till this key resistance. Okay, so right now Ethereum is already broken. Okay, I think I think this guy is already, see, Ethereum is already broken. So I'll be waiting for another retest, which are the 30 minutes is already giving a retest. I'll be buying my ETH position right now, putting my stop loss below, and then we'll go. Okay, but if BTC breaks it, I'll be attacking. So right now, let's see BTC breaking it. Let's check. Okay, so BTC is taking some time. Okay, so till it breaks this 29,070, I'll be attacking all my altcoins. Okay, but Ethereum's already broken. Waiting for it BTC to break. Okay, so now let's check. Okay, so for the bearish part will be of of Ethereum. The bearish will be here. Okay, so Ethereum's right now over here. Your bearish will be, see, it is to go here, right? Your bearish for Ethereum will be, it'll come, it'll give a fake here and it'll go all the way down. It'll break this key support, okay, at 1921, and then once it breaks that, yeah, all the way going to, let's see, on the big time frame so we can see properly. Bearish part will be, oh, what's, that's not looking good only over here, right? Just make it proper. Okay, so once it breaks that, let's put this, this. Okay, so you can say once it breaks that, we can enter a short. Okay, so right now, if Ethereum gives a fake, if BTC dumps, right, Ethereum will break this key support at around 1000, 1921, and then by going all the way to this, I take profits of a short around $1,856 one Ethereum. Okay, only if ETH breaks that, and we put a small short take profit over there at around 1000. Yes, you can see now. If it breaks this key support, Ethereum 1921, you're putting our take profits at around 1856 right here, right? If it breaks this, only if it breaks this, break your fake and it might break this key support. Okay, but till then it's kind of bullish. Ethereum's kind of bullish. BTC is not given that warning that it's going down. So right now, if I'm taking a position, I would wait for BTC to break, then I would take. Okay, so that's your long and short entry for Ethereum. Now let's talk about the next chart, which is your avax chart. Okay, so now let's go into a low time frame. Okay, so for avax chart, let's see. I'll be waiting for avax to reach. You can say for avax, right now I would be waiting for avax to give that key support at around here. You can see I would wait for avax to come till here. Right now avax, let's see on the 30 minutes time frame. Okay, a proper time. Okay, so avax, okay, that looks like baji. Okay, okay, so right now avax also is broken, right? Wait, let's see on mana. Yep, avax also is broken. You see pop here, so avax is broken. So right now if I'm putting my logs, I'd wait for BTC. Once BTC breaks that key support at around, yeah, right here. Okay, so once BTC breaks this, right around here 29,070, I'll be attacking also on avax. Till then I'll be just waiting for it to break. Okay, till then all coins will just follow BTC, but for avax it's already broken. So for avax I would wait for your good log entry. If you all want, you can already attack it to avax and sell right now at this range. Okay, so from here it broke, it's going all the way till here. Okay, at around $90 avax. Okay, $90 here. Okay, so $90 point 79 for one avax. I'll be buying here and selling here. Okay, if BTC breaks the range of, if BTC breaks this range, you can say, if BTC breaks this 29,700, 8 90, right? Then we are all back into the altcoins. We're going fully in altcoins, okay? If it breaks this range, till there we have to just watch BTC what it does. Till there you can just take small profits if you're taking orders, okay? And for your bearish move will be bearish move over here. Bearish move will be over here. From here it goes all the way down. It breaks this key support over here. You can see breaks this key support. It breaks this key support. Then we short all the way from here. It goes all the way till here down till to take profits at here. Okay, so it goes breaks from 1 second. Okay, so it breaks this key support at around $80.73. We put our take profit of a short all the way here. Okay, so right now we did do that. It is to go here all the way. Okay, BTC, if BTC doesn't break and all that, so we don't have to short right now. Only if else it reaches to $90.80, then we need to see and then we need to short. But till there, AVAX is bullish. It's going all the way till here, $90.79. Okay, so that's for your AVAX chart. Now let's talk about your next chart, which is your Solana chart. Okay, so for your Solana chart, right now if you see on your let's take 1 hour time frame for Solana chart. So right now Solana isn't breaking, right? Right now we are here. Solana is here. Okay, okay, so you can see a Solana chart, only a Solana chart, right? It's not breaking. You can see that. You can see the it's supporting this trend, not breaking this trend. Still here only, see. Here. It's not breaking. So more probably, if Solana reaches, you can see over here. If it breaks this, if Solana doesn't break this key resistance, it doesn't break. If it remains here only. If it breaks this key support over here at around 20 to $20.42 your Solana. I'll go at a 4 chart so I can see it properly. If it breaks this key support, right, again if it comes test there. Okay, so I'll put my take profit to Solana all the way here at around $21.29. Okay, one Solana. I'll put my TP of a short. If it breaks this key support at around $22.35, right, I've taken a small short and then I put my take profits around here $21.29 take profits. But if it breaks that, I'll talk about your bullish. Okay, see now here. So if it breaks this key resistance, right, I'll show you on a 1 hour time frame. So right now if it breaks this key resistance, which is around here, you can say it breaks this key resistance, we're all the way going up. Okay, so I'll tell you where exactly up on a 4 hour time frame. If it breaks that key resistance, we're going all the way, you can see till here at around $23. Okay, one Solana. Okay, so I'm gonna take a small long entry from here to here, $23.81 one Solana. If it breaks this, we're going here. Okay, and if BTC breaks this, if BTC breaks the main position, which is around 29,800, you can say 29,800. The Solana also will break this and will be all the way up, right? Okay, so now let's check into your dot chart. Okay, so for dot chart, right now for dot chart is here, right here. Okay, see, so you can put your short entry right here, take profit right here. I'll show you. Okay, so now let's go into your 1 hour time frame. Let's check on that. Okay, so right now, okay, so right here you can see. Okay, so dot's already broken. The dot's going up, so we can't take a shot right now. You have to wait till dot. So yeah, dot's already broken. So right now, if you want to take on small long entry, you can take. So dots will go from here, the long entry from here, all the way till here. You can see at around here. Put a okay, try to not make the chart looks messy. Does it look that much messy? Okay. So right now, if I take a small log entry or take by log entry, it will keep that. Okay. So take by log entry here, and then I'll put my take profits right here. Okay. Take profit log entry. If we TP right. TP. Okay. So I'll put my log position right here since it broke. I put it by TP around $6.59 by log entry right here $6.41 with a stop loss. And after that, say if BTC doesn't break that key resistance right around 29,000 at this resistance, if BTC doesn't break this resistance at 29,740 there, it doesn't break that resistance, then I would take profits on dot and I would leave dot. Okay, so till now here's a long entry, and for your short position, if it does if from here you can take again, if BTC doesn't break that 29,790 right, then we take a short here, and then we are going all the way down. No, you don't need to take a short here. Take it once it breaks this. So you don't need to take a shot. Don't take a shot. Just you can just take a long entry and wait for if BTC. Okay, so that's your bullish, and for your bearish would be right. It will come from here all the way. It will come here, and if it breaks, only if it breaks this, if it breaks this key, if it breaks this key support around $6.29, then only you can say you can take a shot. Okay, you take a shot. No, don't you don't need. It's a small shot, so you don't need to take a shot. Okay, so that's for your dot chart, your bearish and bullish. Right now it's bullish. Okay, so now let's talk about your Cardano chart, which Cardano, it already, you see on a 1 hour time frame, 60 minutes, it already broke that key resistance, right? You can see it from here only. Just remove all this here. Okay, so right now if you see your your ADA chart, it broke. So you can see it's over here. So right now ADA is just breaking. Okay, so once ADA breaks, you can say that key resistance around here. Okay, we are going once it breaks only. So then once it breaks this key resistance, which it will break because here you can see the high buying pressure, right? Once it breaks from here, it's going all the way till here. You can see around here at around 0.42 cents, 0.90 cents, 0.42 cents. You can see there you can put your TPs over here, TPs, and your long entries once it breaks this key resistance at around 0.42 cents. There we're going all the way here. Okay, and if Bitcoin breaks at 49,790, right, then all the positions is going to break even this. Okay, but we take profit, take a short term take profit, that we go. So right now your bearish will be your bearish for avax, sorry, so Cardano. If Cardano hits this resistance, right, which mostly it won't, but if it breaks this key support at around 0.41 cents of your ADA, right, then we take a small short from here, put a short entry, and your take profits right here. Okay, so we take a short entry right here at around 41,126, 41,000 41 cents, right, to all the way till your take profits right here. Your take profits of a short right here. Okay, short TP put. Okay, so that you will understand. TP, if it breaks only this support at around 41 0.41 cents, right, and we put our take profits around here 0.38 cents. Okay, that's your take profit. Okay, so now let's go. You can see it properly, right? So if it breaks this 41 0.41 cents, put our take profits right here 0.38 cents. Okay, for your ADA chart. For a long entry, breaks this resistance, we are putting our take profits right here. Okay, so now let's check into your next chart, which is your algorithm chart. Okay, so if you are took yesterday short from here 0.21 cents. Okay, if you took, I was not alert, so I didn't take. So if I took it from here all the way here, I took a take profits. Okay, so right now you can see your algorithm chart, right? So your algorithm chart all the way, it's just dangling from here, right? But if BTC doesn't, so right now it would be a good entry to put your algorithm chart. If it, you can say another 10 to 50, you can say 1 to 2 hours, if it keeps being here only and it doesn't break this, you can put a buy position here, put a stop loss right here. Actually you can just wait, I'll just check on a 60-minute chart and check. Okay, so right now 60-minute chart. 1 second, let's see if you can buy this position, right? I'll also check, so that I also need to buy. Right now you put your take profits. Okay, so right now, okay, so right now, yeah, you can put your, what is one hour, let's say on a 3 hour. Right now you can put your, yeah, you can put your buy on your algorithm. You can put your buy, put your stop loss here below. Okay, you can put your buy because it broke this key resistance, right? So you can put your buy order on algorithm and wait till it dangles. Okay, so you can put a buy limit, stop. Okay, so there is no short right now until it comes back here, then only. Till then you don't need to put a short, but don't put a short because the range is quite, it's a very small range because it's the lowest that algorithm went, right? See here, you could see on a daily, right? Yeah, it can go there, but you need a big massive dump. Okay, so till then you don't put a short, only you put your buy limit over here. Put your buy limit right now where it is, and then we wait. Okay, so you buy algorithm right now because it's just dangling in this range, right, for so many weeks now. Okay, it was dangling all the way here on this up one. It broke this, it went down. But if BTC breaks that, if BTC doesn't break that 29,000, right, then it more probably come here. We can draw a trend line and then we can short it. But till now you don't need to short. Okay, so till now you put a good buy order on algo right here because it's the lowest. Okay, so that's why algo chart. Now let's check it to your next chart, which is a near chart. Okay, so for their chart right now, you can see it broke this key resistance, right? Over here you can see, so it's going all the way till, going all the way till here you can see. Okay, so your near chart, okay, the near chart is all the way going here. Yes, okay, so right now, once you're near, your near entry is already called. Okay, so if near breaks this key resistance, right, if it is an upward trend and BTC breaks then 29,760, right, then near also will be going up. Okay, so then we need to put our buy entry. If it breaks this, makes the support, we need to enter all our longs. Okay, once it only breaks this $2.22, okay, we need to put our long entries. But the bearish part will be if Bitcoin doesn't break that 29,000, right, if BTC doesn't break that 29,760 range, right, there is going to come here the bearish part. Okay, Bitcoin doesn't break, comes here to this key resistance, and then once it breaks this, you can see this key support at around $2.13, right? When it breaks that, you can put a short entry, put a watch at the C property, put a short entry from here to here. Okay, if only if it comes there. So if you're here, if it breaks this key support at around $2.13 there, you can put a small short from here. It breaks this, takes this back as a resistance, and then we put all, see it what it does now, this $2.13, it breaks, makes this as a resistance, then goes all the way down. Then we put a short entry here, then we ride it all the way till this key support at around $1.97. Okay, your take profits of your short T. Okay, so now let's check into your next chart, which is your FTM chart. Okay, so FTM chart also, so FTM did break. Okay, so it needs to break. You can say also the VADA chart. Okay, so FTM also you can say it broke. Okay, so right now would be a good place to buy FTM for a short long, and put your longs right now. There it is, put your stop loss here, anywhere here, down below that. You can ride all your way your to around here, you can see here. Okay, so for FTM, you put your long entries right here, put your take profits over here, which I'll put it right now. I'll just small this thing so that you can see properly. So right now hit a long entry all the way close, so some people can see, some people can't see. Put a long entries here, then we put a long TP right here, not short, long. So long TP right here. Okay, so I'll show you how it works. So right now bullish, right? So we put a long position right here. We enter right now here since we broke this. Then we put our long TPs right here. So it's a short range. Okay, so you put your long TP right now at 4,700 and long entries. And you put your long TPs at around 0.50 cents. Okay, you put it here, 0.50 cents. You put a long take profit. If Bitcoin breaks that 29,760, right, then this one will also break, and then we are going all the way up. Okay, so till then we put a long TP because we don't know whether bits will break, but more probably bits will break because we are in a bullish pattern. But if it doesn't, then they, so right now there's no short entry, right? Okay, so there's no short entry, but you can say that when it comes here you can short it, but that will be a risky move. So but you have to just wait. Okay, so most probably it's breaking this, is going to go here, and then from there we can assess it. Okay, I'm not telling you a short entry right now, there's no short. Okay, so now let's get into crypto trends. Okay, that's your bullish only of FTM. Okay, so now let's check into your crypto trends. Which trend is there? It is on a weekly. Okay, so cake is down, DYDX, we'll check. DYDX, XRD is not there on Binance, so I'm not checking that. Casper is also not there on Binance. We'll check render. DYDX. Okay, Woo ICP. Okay, on a daily, let's check. Okay, daily everything is gone down, but we'll check those. It's going up. Okay, now let's check here. Crypto trends. So now what one we need to check? We need to check render. Oh, render already broke that. Okay, so render right now is on the verge. Okay, it broke. Okay, chal, render's gone. Can't take a take entry. It would have been so good if it broke this key resistance, right? Render is gone right now. Can't do nothing for render. Okay, so right now render is gone. If it comes back as a support, you can say that's an Avana chart. Most probably if it comes. Okay, so render is already gone. We'll not talk about render. Gone already. So now let's switch on to that other Woo, right? Woo and DYDX. Okay, so right now let's check on a 4 chart. Okay, so dydx also there's nothing. We need to wait for BTC to break that 29,760. So there's nothing on dydx. And let's check on wu. We checked on wu. Okay, so wu also there's nothing till BTC breaks. There's only on redder. Okay, so redder was a good, but it went there. Let's check on ICP. Never checked on ICP. Okay, so ICP. Is that P only? This ICP here. Okay, ICP is also up, but why we did see this log back? If it was for where back for $5 all the way. Yeah, bit up best this, okay? So right now you can't say anything, okay? But you can't put anything, but you can wait for a short if it 1 second. Okay, so right now ICP is also not gone, but right now if from here it will come here, you can say from here you can reassess, okay, whether it goes up or down, but that's like too complicated, right? So we can't take our ICP, but more or less it will come here at this range, okay? If it breaks, it's bullish, okay? But if it breaks this, you can say this key resistance, right? It's more probably going to go up, but till then you have to just wait and watch. So the var only there was one chart vendor. Let's see rose nothing. Let's go on the crypto chart. There's legit nothing. Okay, so there's nothing. Okay, so there's nothing. Okay, so till if BTC breaks that, that range, I'll start entering into all my all the layer ones and all those. Once BTC breaks that, now confirmation goodbye. Where's that BTC chart, man? Okay, so once BTC breaks that 29, sorry, once BTC, now it's already breaking, right? If it breaks this 29,000, and some altcoins already broke, but if BTC breaks this 29,760, right, I'm entering all my big long positions, okay? And I'm not taking take profits on other coins, okay, if it breaks it. So till then we have to just wait and watch. Okay, so now let's go into the crypto news, okay? So the first crypto news is Microsoft. Okay, so right now Microsoft partners with space and time. Okay, so Microsoft right now partners with space and time to add real-time blockchain data for Azure cloud. Okay, so they have partnered with space and time to bring real-time blockchain data, okay, to their platform called Azure Marketplace. Okay, so here's their marketplace. They bought the here's a Twitter account of their marketplace. They for Azure Marketplace. Okay, so they have done that. So now let's talk about the next news. So Trezor wallet enables Bitcoin privacy feature with CoinJoin. Okay, so you know that Trezor is a hardware wallet, right? They partnered with CoinJoin. Okay, so right now you will have a privacy features where anyone who is doing a transaction with Bitcoin, right, will able to hide their transaction. Okay, see, privacy enabling CoinJoin feature on its hardware wallet. Okay, so that's it for the dues, for the Trezor dues, that now you can make every transaction in private with this CoinJoin feature on Trezor wallet. Okay, let's see what is this. Okay, so now let's check the next news, which is so 160 million long position liquidated in minutes as Bitcoin crashes to 29K. Okay, so there's a lot of money that's got liquidated. So it was not me. Okay, I did get liquidated because I always put a stop loss. Okay, so now let's check into the next news. United Emirates opens for licensing application for crypto companies. Okay, so right now United States Arabs, they are taking the application for businesses who are involving in cryptocurrency. They are accepting them. Okay, see, they are accepting application forms for crypto businesses operating license. Okay, so they are already accepting license, and it's a good news for, you can say, for Dubai. All those guys, they're doing good for crypto, right? They're accepting crypto. They're not seeing it as a bad, how China is seeing it as bad, but in their own country, Hong Kong, they're making it better for them, right? So it's a good thing for United United Arab Emirates, right? Okay, so now let's check it your next news. VeChain launches its V VeChain VeChain Tor. Okay, it's Web3 as service platform. Okay, so right now you know that once people go on a Web2, they don't know about gas fees and all that, right? So right now this VeChain launch, it's called here. It's called VeChain Tor. It's called here. See here. It's called VeChain Tor platform, where people will directly, they'll go to the application, right? The application only will, once they just click on that, the application only will pay the gas fees and everything. They don't have to worry about that. It's like, you can say it's like a Web2 platform, where the platform will do everything. You don't need to the sign in transaction and all. The platform will do everything. Just have to click. Okay, so that's for your VeChain news. Okay, so now let's talk about the VeChain price. Okay, so the VeChain price didn't go anywhere, as you can see. So it's a bullish news, but it's not that much where we are going on upwards trend like render, you can see, right? So now let's see into the next news. Okay, so when Polygon, with an open letter to EU Parliament, seeks amendment to Data Acts. Okay, so right now Polygon, there's an amendment act to Data Act, right? So the decentralized people who are working on a decentralized protocol, right? It's kind of bad for them. It fears, see here, the act, right, fears it could stifle blockchain development in its current form. So they want to change the law. So Polygon just gave a letter to the Europe, the act of data. So they should change it, because it will be a bad thing for people who are working in for the developers, so that there's an act which will be bad for them. So that's what Polygon did. They put a letter that you can just rechange the act on Article 30 of the EU Data Act. Okay, so now let's check into your last news, which is here. Coinbase CEO Brian Adam reveals possibility of relocating HQ to UK. Okay, so right now, as you know, that the Coinbase exchange, they're with this headlines only, you can see that they're thinking of moving its headquarters to UK because of the regulatory, because there's a law, there's no clarity in US that they need to, there's so much laws which is not clarity, and they're not giving a proper clarity in US. So as for the law, because of regulatory environment, you can actually say, suppose another country is, their law is better, right? So before even the law is done in US, they can directly shift to another country if the law is better, which will make them more favorable, the law which is more favorable, right? So they're thinking of moving to UK, since the law looks more favorable for them, if the US doesn't tell proper what they need to do in the coming months. Okay, so they can directly shift their headquarters, which now Coinbase is the, you can say, second largest exchange in the world, right? And so if it doesn't improve and doesn't give clarification on the law, then you can say Binance is going to relocate to UK. Okay, so that's it for crypto news. If you like content like this, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, ping notification bell on, so you don't miss content like this and you're early to watch. Okay, so peace out, crypto fam.